Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Henrietta, Aina, Afrolicious here. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / get to know me video. So I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup, like go to makeup. I don't really wear makeup, but once in a while I do. So the few times I wear makeup, I'm just going to show you guys what I do. It's really simple, 5-10 minutes tops. And while I'm doing my makeup, I'm going to be doing like a get to know me tag, so just few things that you may or may not know about me. So I'm going to be doing that today, and it's going to be fun because it's quite different from what I normally do on my channel. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I don't really wear makeup. Few times I would wear makeup, but once in a while I like to keep it simple. I like very simple makeup with like lips, both lips, red, pink. Once in a while I would do nude, but most of the times I like my lips to really pop and brighten the rest of my face. And yeah, and this hair is a twist out that I did. It's not really one of my best twist out, but this is a twist out, and I'm just going to transform. I don't know, speaking gibberish, but yeah, let's get to it. So I'm just going to put my hair away from my face so that I can get to it. So yeah, so first things first, I don't really do primers. I don't know why, but I don't know why. Maybe I would get a primer and incorporate that into my makeup routine, but I just apply my foundation straight, although I have sunscreen on my face. So yeah, I use the Fenty Beauty makeup in 390. That's my shade, I guess. So yeah, so first of all, I like to 2 pumps of foundation. So I just 1 pump there, 1 pump here, and that's all. And then I take my beauty blender and I just blend that all over my face. So for the other part of this video, which is a get to know me video, I hope I can concentrate. I hope, because I am not very good at multitasking, so I hope I'm able to do this. So yeah, basic things about me. My name is Henrietta, Aina. Afrolicious on Instagram. I'm from Nasarawa State. No, I'm not Igbo, because most people see me and they're like, oh, you're an Igbo girl. No, I'm not Igbo. I'm from Nasarawa State. Although my grandmom, my maternal grandmother, is from Akwa Ibom State, so I guess that's why I kind of look like an Igbo girl. Then what else? I am married. Yes, I am. I have 2 sons. I got married when I was 21, and no, I wasn't pregnant, because I tell most people I got married when I was 21. They're like, oh, we were pregnant and then you have to get married. No, I wasn't pregnant. It was my choice. I also wanted to get married at an early age, so yeah, I was in a serious relationship, and I was like, what are we waiting for? Why wait? What's the point waiting? I want to be with you. I know I want to be with you, so there's no point waiting. And yeah, if I could go back in time, I'll do it again. Maybe get married at 19. So yeah, I schooled in Federal University of Technology, Mina. I studied urban and regional planning. So yeah, I'm a planner. But I'm not going to practice. I don't plan to practice. Why? Because I didn't really enjoy myself in school. It's not something I would want to do. I'm more of a business, not business, business, I'm not a corporate person. I don't see myself working in an office, sitting down 9 to 5. No, I don't see myself doing that. So yeah, I think we're done with this foundation. So this is how I like to wear my foundation, you know, when it just looks like, oh, you're not applying anything, you know, it just looks very neat and very thin and, you know, very natural. This is how I like to wear my makeup. I don't really like to go over the board with my makeup. So what else would you want to know about me? Let's see. Yeah, I told you I'm a mom of 2 boys. I don't think I want to have more children. I would, like, I've always wanted to have a girl, but somehow I always end up having boys. I don't know if I'm going to try for a 3rd child. School fees is really expensive. You know, for now, I'm really young. My husband is really young, so, you know, we're just, for now, you know, we're fine with the both of them. Or maybe, you know, in the next 5 years, we can get bored and want another child. So, but for now, we're cool. You know, it's a lot of work dealing with those 2 boys. So yeah, I'm done applying my foundation. So just go straight to my eyes. I feel like an expert. So, eyeliner. Sorry, I'm in your face, but I don't have a mirror here. Yeah, it's as easy as ABC. Yeah. Oh, it's nasty. So once I'm done with my eyeliner, I go in my mascara and, you know, just I'm supposed to be talking, right? I'm supposed to be talking while I'm doing this, but I really don't know how to multitask. So I don't have a favorite food. I eat almost everything, and I'm very experimental when it comes to food. I like to try out different things. I like to eat, you know, different foods. So I'm not selective when it comes to food. I eat anything and everything, almost everything. I'm a foodie, official foodie. Although I'm trying to lose weight now, so I'm team fit farm. You know, all about eating healthy and all of that. Yeah. I don't have a favorite color. I don't have a favorite anything. I'm just very indifferent when it comes to all those things. Very, very indifferent. So for my brows, I don't really draw my brows. Simply because, number one, it's a lot of work and takes a lot of time, which I don't have the patience to do. Number two, I don't really know how to draw my brows. So I just like to brush it up and then fill in the gap. That's what I do most of the time. Just fill in the areas that don't have so much hair. I'm actually a very hairy person, so my brows are always full. But the last person that curled my brows did a terrible job, especially on this one. So it kind of looks funny. So I just like to fill in that space and just do this. Yeah, it's pretty much how I do my brows. I don't really care for makeup, sincerely, but you know, sometimes you really just want to look good, so that's when I would, you know, do this. Yeah, so more about me. I am the first daughter of my family. I have 3 siblings, 2 younger sisters and a brother. What else? I have a lot of aunts and uncles on both sides of my family. I have a lot of cousins. My God, I don't even know all of them. My brows are looking funny though. So I like to think I'm a quiet person, mostly loud with my friends, family members. But when I'm outside, I'm actually a very quiet person. Lipstick. I love red lipsticks, pink. I love bold colors, purple. Since I don't really do a lot of makeup, I like lip colors that kind of like makes my face pop. So I'm red today. Yeah, I like it already. Yeah, transformation. Oh my gosh, I'm such a pretty lady, pretty woman. Yeah, so that's basically it about me. Like, sometimes I just feel like my life is boring, but other times, I'm glad. It just saves me a lot of money because I don't go out, I don't spend money. Go out once in a while. You don't have troubles. But the thing is, I find it difficult mixing up with people. I think that's the downside of being a socially awkward person. Sorry, I'm not even talking you guys through my makeup. The last thing I will do is to go in my powder. This one from Tara. So this powder is tired of me. So I just do this on my face then. Blend it. And then just a little on my forehead. Blend it. Yeah. So this is my go-to makeup. The lip color would always change. Pink some days, red some days, brown some days, nude color some days, but my face routine basically stays the same. I don't do a lot of makeup, and that's because my skin is in a very good place right now. Once upon a time I used to struggle with my face, hyperpigmentation, spots, acne, but then this year I really decided, okay, I'm going to take care of my skin, to the point that when I don't even wear makeup, I can confidently go out and I don't need to like cover my spots and all of that. And I've been really into face skincare these days. I do a lot of I put a lot of effort, morning routine, night routine, all of that skincare stuff. So maybe I'm going to work on a skincare routine video, morning and night skincare routine, because my skin is popping. I'm really happy about it. I am becoming my hair and skin goals, and it feels really amazing. It feels really good. So yeah, I'm done with my face. So let's just go on with my hair. What I'm going to do with my hair is just really simple. This is a twist out. So I'm just going to do like a slant part here. Right. Yeah. And then just hook in my hands. Let it fall. going to use a bobby pin to just see. Oh no, this looks awkward. So yeah, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to leave it like that. Yeah. So we're done. We're done. We're done. So and that is how you do a quick transformation. You know, this makeup probably just took me about 10 minutes to do. Sometimes it's usually quicker. You know, today I was taking my time and all of that. Yeah, so it's really simple. You know, you don't have to look like, you don't have to stress yourself all the time when it comes to makeup. You can just keep it simple and, you know, fresh and chic, and you know, oh my god, as in my hair is getting long. Jesus Christ, I can't even believe it. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and please give me video ideas. I want to be consistent on YouTube. I want to, you know, put a lot of great content out there for you guys. So, you know, if you have video suggestions, please drop them in the comment section for me, and follow me on Instagram at Afrolicious. You know, that's where all the fun happens. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.